Hello everyone, I'm Winnie from OUNUO Machinery. Today we are excited to introduce the OUNUO Procut WH-105SS automatic flatbed die cutting and creasing machine. It comes with a fully redesigned custom sheet metal body. The combination of industrial grade and vibrant red delivers a true flagship machine from the first glance. Beyond its striking appearance, it delivers powerful performance and exceptional reliability. The machine exterior and control panel have both been upgraded for a cleaner, more modern look and a more user-friendly operation. The feeder and delivery section side frames are built with cast components, ensuring stable, high-speed operations throughout the machine's entire service life. Even after 10 years, it still delivers stable, high-speed performance. The one-touch setup function improves changeover efficiency and operational convenience, making it ideal for medium to high volume multi-batch production. It reduces changeover time by at least 30 minutes compared with conventional machines. Quick lock systems for die cutting and stripping reduce operator workload and save setup time. Equipped with world-class machining centers and inspection equipment, every component is manufactured to the highest standards, resulting in higher precision and enhanced structural stability. With a die cutting speed of 8,500 sheets per hour, production capacity is at least 20% higher than comparable machines in the industry. This is no longer just a die cutting machine. It understands the real pain points of manufacturers and uses intelligent technology to improve efficiency. Exactly what smart production should be. The OUNUO Procut WH-105SS automatic flatbed die cutting and creasing machine never asks users to compromise. Upgraded quality, upgraded productivity. This is OUNUO's promise. Thank you for your trust and support.